Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this situation. I am Golam Mortuja and I am your physics teacher. Today I will discuss with you chapter 8, which is reflection of light. Dear student, this is our first question, and here you can see that the question is, what is irregular reflection? Explain it. Okay, do you know what is irregular reflection? Here you can see that if a parallel beam of light falls on a rough surface and after reflection does not remain parallel and is not converted into a convergent or divergent beam, then such type of reflection is irregular reflection. Now I will explain you what is irregular reflection with a figure. Okay, here you can see that this is a rough mirror. A parallel beam are incident on this rough mirror, but after reflection all the reflected rays are no longer parallel. Here you can see that because all the light ray will follow the law of reflection. What is the law of reflection? In the law of reflection, all the incident angle will be the equal of all the reflected angle. Here you can see that all the rays are incident at the different angle at the different point of this surface. That's why after the reflection all the reflected angle will be different, and that's why after reflection all the reflected rays are no longer parallel, and that type of reflection is called irregular reflection. I hope you understand what is irregular reflection. Dear student, now this is our second question, and here you can see that our second question is, write the properties of image in a plane mirror. That means we have to describe the properties of an image which will be created in a plane mirror. Here you can see that this is a plane mirror and the image is created in this plane mirror. Okay, and the first properties is the image will be virtual. Here you can see that in this figure the image which is created, the image is virtual because the object is situated in front of the mirror, but the image which is created, that is behind the mirror. That's why the image is virtual, and for all the time the image will be virtual in a plane mirror. Okay, the second one is straight. That means here you can see that how the object is look like, the image is also look like the object. Okay, that's why we can say that the image is straight as like the object. Okay, the third one is equal to the size of the object. Here you can see that the object equal to the size of the object. That means here you can see that the image which is created, the size of image and the size of object is same. Okay, and for all the time the image which will be created in a plane mirror, the size of object and the size of image will be same. Number 4, equidistance from the mirror. That means what will be the distance between and the object, also the distance between and the image will be same, but at the opposite side. That means in which side the object is situated, at the opposite side the image will be created. So dear student, I hope you understand all of these 4 characteristics of an image which will be created in a plane mirror. My dear student, this is our third question, and here you can see that the question is, how can we identify a mirror without touching it? That means without touching any mirror, how can we identify? Okay, so let me explain it. Number 1, if we place any object inside the focal length, and after that if a virtual, straight and small image is created, then we can ensure that this mirror is convex mirror. Okay, here you can see that this is a picture for and an object is placed inside the focal length, and after that the image which is created, that is virtual, straight and smaller than the object. Okay, so to see that virtual, straight and small image, we have to ensure that the mirror is convex mirror. Okay, for the second one, if we place any object inside the focal length of a mirror and then a virtual, straight and bigger image is created, then we can ensure that this mirror is concave mirror. And here you can see that there is a concave mirror and an object is placed inside the focal length, and after that an image is created which is virtual, straight and bigger than the object. Okay, to see that virtual, straight and bigger image, we can ensure that that is the concave mirror. Okay, for third one, if we place any object in front of the mirror and after that if a virtual, straight and same size image is created, then we can ensure that this image is a plane mirror. Okay, here you can see that this is a plane mirror and an object is placed in front of the mirror, and after that an image is created behind the mirror which is virtual, straight and the same size of object. Okay, so to see that straight, virtual and the same size of image, we can ensure that this mirror is plane mirror. So dear student, I hope you understand how can we identify a mirror without touching it. My dear student, this is our number 4 question, and the question is that what is main focus? Okay, so let me explain it. What is main focus? A beam of ray adjacent and parallel to the principal axis being incident on a spherical mirror converges at a point on the principal axis for a concave mirror, that is the main focus. Here you can see that a concave mirror, and in this concave mirror, when a parallel light ray will incident on this mirror, after reflection all the reflected ray will meet at a point on the main axis, and here you can see that all the reflected ray are meeting at a point, and that point is main focus for concave mirror. Okay, or appears to be diverging from point on the principal axis for convex mirror after reflection, then this point is called the principal focus on the mirror. That means here you can see the another mirror which is convex mirror, and in a convex mirror if parallel light rays are incident and after that all the reflected ray will scatter from all the direction, and after that if we extend all the scattered light ray at the behind side of the mirror, they will meet at a point on the principal axis of this mirror, and the point is called main focus. It seems like that the light is coming from that point. Okay, so I hope you understand what is main focus. Dear student, this is our question number 5, and the question is that which mirror is used by dentist and why? Okay, dear student, do you know which mirror is used by a dentist? They use concave mirror. That means a dentist usually used a concave mirror while they treating their patient, because if we place any object inside the focal length of a concave mirror, then the image which will create, the image will virtual, straight and larger than the object. And here you can see that a figure of concave mirror, and here you can see that an object is placed inside the focal length, and after that the image which is created, the image is virtual, straight and bigger than the object. Okay, so when doctor treat a patient teeth, they need to look at the teeth in a much larger size, and that's the reason dentists usually use concave mirror while treating their patient. I hope you understand which mirror is used by a dentist and why. Dear student, now this is question number 6, and here you can see that the question is which mirror is used in the headlight of a car or motorbike. Okay, usually concave mirror are commonly used for the headlight of a car or motorbike. But why concave mirror are used? I will explain you. If we place any object inside the focal length in a concave mirror, then the image which will be created, that will be virtual, straight and bigger than the object. And here you can see that this is a concave mirror, and if we place any object inside the focal length, then the image will be virtual, straight and bigger than the object. The headlight bulbs of a motorbike or car are placed very close to the focal length, which creates a very large reflection, and then the light scatters from all the direction, and that's why concave mirror are commonly used in the headlight of a motorbike or car. I hope you understand why the concave mirror is used in the headlight of a car or motorbike. Dear student, our next question is which mirror is used in the looking glass of a car? Do you know which mirror is used in the looking glass of a car? Okay, convex mirror are commonly used in a car looking glass. Okay, but why convex mirror are used? Now I will explain you. Here you can see a figure, and in this figure there is a convex mirror. If we place any object in front of this convex mirror, here you can see that an object is placed in front of this mirror, and the image which is created, the image is virtual, straight and smaller than the object. Okay, for this reason the image of a lot of space in the backside of the car is created in a small convex mirror. Okay, here you can see that a convex mirror which is used in a looking glass. Then a lot of space in the backside of the car can be easily seen in this convex mirror, so that a driver can easily see if a speeding vehicle is coming from the behind side of his car, and so that he can drive safely. And for this reason, convex mirror is used in the looking glass of a car. I hope you understand why the convex mirror is used in the looking glass of a car. Dear student, this is our number 8 question, and here you can see that the question is which mirror are used in the hilly roads. Do you know which mirror are used in the hilly roads? Okay, let me explain it. Hilly roads are usually very zigzag, and sometimes it is seen that hilly roads are curved up to 90-degree angle. Here you can see that this is a hilly road, and here at that place this road has turned up at 90-degree angle. And in this road, if two cars are coming from the opposite direction, they will not see each other, and at that time there is a possibility to occur a big accident between these two cars. So to avoid such kind of accident, a plane mirror is used here. That means a plane mirror is placed at that curved place at 45-degree angle, so that the two cars which is coming from the opposite direction, they can see each other and they can save from a big accident. Okay, so my dear student, I hope you understand which mirror are used in the hilly roads and why. and how the mirror is placed and which angle the mirror should be placed. Dear student, number 9 question is, which mirror is used in the periscope? Do you know why the periscope are commonly used? Periscope are commonly used to see that kind of object which cannot be seen directly for an obstacle. Okay, dear student, do you know how the periscope is made and how it's work? Okay, let me explain it. Here you can see that a periscope in this figure. Okay, and a periscope is a rectangular or a cylindrical shape of a pipe where two plane mirrors are placed parallelly and at 45-degree angle with the respect of this pipe. M1 is the first mirror and M2 is the second mirror, and both mirrors are parallel to each other and both mirrors are placed at 45-degree angle with the respect of periscope. Here you can see that when the light rays come from the outer side object will incident on the first mirror M1 at 45-degree angle. After that, the reflected angle will go to the straight downward and it will incident on the second mirror M2 at 45-degree angle. After that, the reflected ray from the M2 mirror will pass through the periscope. After that, the object which is situated in front of the mirror M1, then it will be visible to the person next to the M2 mirror. Okay, my dear student, I hope you understand which mirror is used in the periscope and how the periscope is worked. Dear student, our today's last topic is, what is the meaning of magnification 1.5? Do you know what is the meaning of magnification 1.5? Okay, let me explain it. Magnification refers to how much larger or smaller the image is than the real object. That means the image which will be created in a convex mirror or concave mirror or in a plane mirror. After that, how much the image is larger or smaller than the real object, we can identify by using the magnification. Okay, here that is the formula of magnification, where M is the magnification, L prime is the length of image and L is the length of object. So the magnification 1.5 equals to L prime by L. So L prime equals to 1.5 into L. That means the image which is created, the size of this image is 1.5 times larger than the real object. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of magnification 1.5. Dear student, I hope you have enjoyed the class and you have learned the things which I have already discussed with you. Inshallah, see you on the next class. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student.